control.
Nice control.
Almost there. Almost there. You did it! You did it!
I'm so proud.
I'm so proud.
This place looks amazing!
Woohoo! So cool! So many cool cars. I can't believe it. This is amazing. I know, right? The shape is very smooth.
It's incredibly smooth, isn't it? Oh!
It is. The details are beautiful.
These lines help the car move fast.
Wow, that's incredible.
Look at those big wheels. Very strong. Amazing.
The inside is very clean. Wow!
Wow.
Look at this interior.
So many parts work together.
This car looks modern. It sure does, BB.
Look at those tires.
Good idea. Good ideas for the future.
This material is light. Yes, it feels incredibly light for its strength.
Design is very important.
Cars can be fast and clean.
I feel inspired. Inspired.
We learned many things.
Let me see. Let me see.
Engine trouble.
That's a big problem.
Look! Monster Dread! Mon is going up!
Slow. Slow. Perfect fit, monster.
Vroom!
Good. Good.
This is where it begins. In the quiet before the storm.
Every curve perfected, every surface polished, ready for what comes next. The grip that will hold the road, the tread that will tear through dust.
The heart awakens. Power flows through every component. Ready!
Go, monster!
leaving the sanctuary, entering the arena.
The battlefield awaits. Others have gathered. The competition begins. The roar of challengers. The dust of anticipation. The moment is now.
Power unleashed. Traction broken. The launch begins.
Side by side. Wheel to wheel. The first test of speed. Controlled chaos. Precision sliding. Finding the perfect line.
Terrain changes. Suspension tested. Adapting to every surface.
The final push. Everything left on the track. The finish awaits. Crossing the line. The journey complete. But always ready for the next race. Power applied. Position gained. One competitor left behind.
Wow! Oh, the lights are beautiful. They really are. Everything is shining. This car is so big. Whoa!
The wheels are glowing.
It feels magical.
Look at that truck!
Wow!
Wow!
Huh? The lights are very bright. They look perfect.
Cars everywhere.
It looks like it's racing. Look at the lights. So cool. This place is peaceful.
It looks very strong.
The details are nice. The road is shining. The road is shining.
I love this park.
Me too.
Hello, big car.
So many colors. Woo!
Look at them glow. Ooh.
Woo! Ah! I don't want to leave. We will remember this. It is. What a wonderful night!
Background ambience includes distant, cheerful park sounds like laughter.
Or faint music.
There you are, Tractor Mew Mew. You've worked hard today. Let's get you fixed up.
Let's take a look inside. I hear you're not feeling your best.
Belts are a bit worn, but pipes and cables seem intact. Oil level is low, as expected. Time for an oil change and some cleaning.
Draining the old oil.
This should help you run smoother, Tractor Mew Mew. Tightening everything up. Need to make sure all parts are secure and stable. Wheel joints look good, but there's a lot of mud stuck. Let's clean this off. Looking better already.
The maintenance is coming along nicely. Now for a good wash.
Time for a thorough wash. Got the hose and brushes ready. You'll be sparkling clean, Tractor Mew Mew. Washing off all that grime. See the mud coming right off.
Brushing every panel to get into the nooks and crannies. You're starting to shine.
Wheels are getting clean too. Almost done with the washing part. Cleaning the exhaust and rear. Rinsing off all the soap and dirt. Almost spotless.
Drying and polishing to make you sparkle. Ooh. You look brand new, Tractor Mew Mew. Hood closed, all checks done. You're ready to go, my friend. Start her up. And there it goes, running perfectly smooth.
Moving like a charm, confident and steady, just as it should be.
All done. You're fully restored and ready for another day of hard work. Great job, Tractor Mew Mew.
Wow, so many ships. Magnificent. Tao Tao is on display today. That chimney looks wrong. Oh, why is that happening?
I need to check it. Nay.
Slow and careful. This one is worn.
New chimney in place.
Perfect! Tao Tao is ready for the show. Tao Tao for the show! Something feels wrong. I'm ready to shine. I feel proud. This place is wonderful.
Bebby looks smooth. Flying very stable.
Feeling the sun's warmth on my skin. Everything is running perfectly.
Heartbeat strong and steady. Power flowing without a hitch.
So peaceful up here. Just me and the endless blue.
Beginning my descent. Time to come home.
Gear down. Aligned and ready. Final approach looks good.
Contact. Smooth as always.
Just a short taxi to the parking spot. Almost done for the day.
Oh no! A collision! That shouldn't have. I didn't see it.
I'm hurt. This is gonna take a while to fix. I just wanted to get home.
Wait, something is wrong. I see a crack. That is dangerous. We must stop flying. The propeller is cracked.
It needs repair.
Welcome to the garage!
We fix it here.
Hold it tight.
Perfect position.
Remove the broken part.
Slow and careful.
Mask on.
Safety ready.
Strong weld.
Very clean.
New part arrived.
Look strong. Align it. Locked in. Locked in. No vibration.
Very good.
Ready to fly. Let's go.
Perfect flight. Great job.
Good landing.
Nice and slow. Time to plow. Let's do it. We made a perfect line. I love working on the farm.
Oh no! Listen to that clank.
Something feels wrong.
Something's wrong here. Looks like it needs a fix.
Oh no! My engine compressor is broken. I need help.
Hello? What happened? What happened?
My engine compressor stopped working. Don't worry. I'm coming now.
I'm here.
Let me take a look.
Let me take a look.
That was Barnett. The compressor needs repair.
Almost there.
Hooray! Hooray!
This should fix it. Try starting the engine.
It works. Thank you, BB. Happy farming.
Starting farm work. Scoop and lift. Moving soil.
Soil placed. Making the ground flat.
Nice and smooth. Cleaning the farm.
for crops.
Careful lifting. Transporting harvest. Harvest delivered.
Farm looks good.
Work complete.
Ready for tomorrow.
Time for a check. Time for a check. Let me inspect everything.
Hey, the parts work very hard.
Ah, some bolts are loose. Go one. Yes, that one.
Tight and safe. Now, oil change.
Fresh oil is better.
Slow and steady.
Everything sounds good.
The hill is so quiet. What's that? What's that? Let me check everything. I feel warmer now. The engine sounds good. The wheels need space. Let me help you. Let me help you.
So much snow here.
Slow and careful.
Slow and careful.
I'm moving. We're...
I can move now.
Everything feels normal again.
Stay warm and safe. Haribala. Odiekoa.
Happy journey!
I love winter again.
First rule, tools must never stay on the floor.
Got it.
Always sort by size and type. This feels satisfying.
Next, we clean the floor.
I'm ready.
I'm ready.
Slow and steady. Oops. I'll be careful. A clean bench means safer work.
Oh,
Everything looks clearer now.
Labels save time. Oh, I won't forget that. That's it, Boo-Boo. Great job.
Trash goes out every day. Clean space, clean mind. Even doors need care. It looks brand new.
Good lighting is important. Dent!
I see everything better now.
Never ignore hidden corners. There was so much dust.
Clean tools last longer. That makes sense.
Use the right cleaner.
No more mistakes.
Inspection is important.
I hope I did well.
Details matter. I see it now.
Safety first. Always. Always. Look at this transformation! It's amazing!
You did great today. Thanks, teacher.
Follow this every day. I promise.
A clean garage builds great machines.
I'll keep it clean, keep it. Wow. This factory is so big. Let me show you around.
Yes, please. These make the wheels.
They look strong.
They look strong.
The rubber mix is here.
Cool.
The wheels are growing.
Yes, step by step.
Press and shape.
So smooth.
It's not hot. It's not hot now. That's right. All clear.
We check every wheel. Safety first.
They can spin fast.
Yeah. Hey, very strong too.
Oh.
Fixing little things. Good job.
So many colors. Pick your favorite.
Logo goes here.
Nice and neat. Nice and neat.
Robots help a lot.
Yes, they do. Yes, they do.
So many wheels.
Ready to go down.
Big and small wheels. All are useful. All are useful.
Everything works together.
Teamwork, teamwork.
Thank you, Boo-Boo.
Come again.
Have a safe trip. See you. See ya.